Ladies and gentlemen, while you are developing your Microsoft Word, you should make it very professional and attractive. And you should use the professional formats for official documents so that it can be looks like professional one, right? So that's why in this video I'm going to show you how you can use this font so that you can change the font of your text and also the font size of your text. Many professional documents are mainly written in font family called Times New Roman and also with 12 as font size. Let me show you how you can apply those features on your document to customize it and make it a professional one. Yes, once you already developed your document and you want to make it attractive, you may select the text like this one and then choose the type of font. By clicking on this drop down icon, then you select the professional one or international one is this one, Times New Roman, mainly used in official documents. Do you see how it looks like? As you see, this differ from previous one. Also, you select all of base text, or just click Ctrl A to select all text. Then you click on this drop down icon. You choose whatever you want. But for us, as I already mentioned, better to use this one, Times New Roman, as one used for official documents. See now how it looks like, professional one, differ from previous one. Yes, now to apply a font size, it's just simple. You select this one. You may use this icon, no need to come back here while you have that interface. You can use that, but also this one the same. You can just choose whatever size you want, but for professional documents or international documents, you just use this 12. Normally we use 12 like this one, do you see? And also this is in 11. As you see, we may change it into 12 as font size. Do you see? In 12 one. Do you see now? It's looking amazing, right? So thank you for watching this video. This is how you can use font family and font size features to customize your Microsoft document. So thank you. See you in the next lesson.